I'll go ahead and take it out of the packaging. Hey, what's up guys? Mr. Greek 2002 here. In today's video guys, I'm actually gonna go ahead and unpack again that iPhone 12 case that I got from AliExpress. The roughly $1 basic one. It's a non-MagSafe version one. It's just a regular case like any other previous generation iPhone case would have for it basically. So guys, I just recently unboxed my iPhone 12 Pro and I've been using it. So in order for me to use it, I most certainly must have a case to go with it to keep my iPhone protected for basically as little as possible while I take a look at freshly new iPhone 12/iPhone 12 Pro cases. I did not want to make a rush choice on which case I'm going to purchase, so therefore I made a simple choice instead and purchased the cheapest iPhone 12/iPhone 12 Pro case out there and waited until the actual official Apple cases came out as well as official third-party cases came out and took a look at the options in order to make a final and informed decision on which model case and what color case I'm going to go ahead and purchase. So in today's video, I'm showing you the cheapest case available, pretty much, for the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro. So without further ado, on to the video guys. So I'll get a new iPhone 12 Pro case or iPhone 12 regular case, okay. I'll go ahead and take it out of the packaging, get this foam insert out, and I'll go ahead now and install it for you guys. It installs like so. When it's coming on. Oh, it's a very tight fit, looks like. Very, very tight. Okay. There we go. This case provides a nice bumper. A little bit of bumper. Here's the case. Looks absolutely stunning. I love it so much. Again, it's from AliExpress. It costs about $1 or so to buy each of these cases. I think it's well worth the money. Yes, there's no MagSafe, but I did actually find MagSafe magnets that will adhere to this actual case. I think maybe on the inside part. That will allow you to have the MagSafe charger actually adhere to the iPhone and charge it, even with the case on, because the case will have these magnets installed into it, basically. Alright, so there you go, guys. My iPhone 12 Pro in Pacific Blue with 128 gigabytes. So there you have it, guys. My cheap, clear TPU case installed on my iPhone 12 Pro. And as always, the link will be down in the description box below. So then this effectively is a video. Take care, have a good day guys. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you guys on the next video.